Here's how to clean reinstall Riot Vanguard for Valorant quickly. Step 1. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. Press Windows plus S, type Apps, and open Apps and Features. Scroll down and locate Riot Vanguard. Click it and select Uninstall, then Confirm. This removes the existing Vanguard installation completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. After uninstalling Vanguard, restart your computer. Restarting ensures all Vanguard processes are fully cleared from memory. Step 3. Reinstall Riot Vanguard via Riot Client. After your PC restarts, open Riot Client. Sign in if prompted. Riot Client will automatically detect that Vanguard is missing and begin reinstalling it. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 4. Launch Valorant as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Once the Riot Client opens, launch Valorant normally. Running as administrator ensures Vanguard has proper permissions to run correctly. After completing these steps, Riot Vanguard will be fully reinstalled and Valorant should launch without issues. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.